You inspire, uh, run your boutique and run your YouTube channel. Yes, content creator. Yeah, that also, and yeah, boutique also. So how you balance both?
Yes, if we have, ma'am, if I have or you have some burning desire, so you can accomplish without pushing other. Yeah. So it is my childhood dream. Nowadays, I am learning this language. They are waiting to me, and I have to deal with my client. Morning time only, I go to my shop just for guiding my tailor.
Which type of challenges you face? How my English appreciation, that also I think you. Yeah.
Yes, I have completed 32 session, 32 session. Now my children, they have grown up, and my daughter first motivated me to learn this language. So mama, you should try. You
I can say many hat. Yes.
Yes,
Very good afternoon. Yeah.
yes. Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. I am doing wonderful. Tell me about you.
Yeah, I'm also. Thank you for asking. I'm also pretty well. Yes. So we are meeting very first time. We introduce.
Myself. Yes, my name is Ranjana Srivastava. I am from Delhi. I am doing my own business. I have a ladies boutique by profession. I am mother of two kids. Moreover, I am a YouTuber too, as well as I am providing classes for beginner students. Yeah, this is all about me. If you talk about my education, so I have done graduation in history honors. Along with that, I have done diploma in stitching work and computer. Yeah, if you talk about my hobbies, so yeah, my hobbies, it's different, means plethora of hobby nowadays, but nowadays I am focusing about only English learning things. Yeah, I am exploring different kinds of ideas. I am exploring different kinds of things from social media. Yeah, this is all about me.
Okay, okay, amazing. Yeah. So I can say, by whom inspire you to run the boutique? Yes,
Yes, I run boutique. I'm running boutique, ma'am. Ladies boutique.
yes, yes. So by whom you inspire, uh, run your boutique and run your YouTube channel? Yes.
YouTube channel, ma'am, just I started last year. I created my YouTube channel because of learning English language. I want to see my improvement. So where I am now and earlier where I was. So I want to see. And you are asking about my boutique. So I have 15 years experience in this field. When my children, they were very small kid, that time I didn't have other option, and that is why I started my boutique shop.
Okay, okay, amazing. You are inspiration of many women. Yeah. Yes, yes. So you run your, I can say, how you balance, I can say, content creator. Yeah, that also, and yeah, boutique also. So how you balance both?
Yes, if we have, ma'am, if I have or you have some burning desire, so you can accomplish without pushing other. Yeah. So it is my childhood dream. Nowadays, I am learning this language. 2 years ago, I embarked my journey, and I want to be consistent in my learning process. So sometimes I skip because of my work, because of different kinds of responsibilities. So that is why I created a YouTube channel too, because I want to be consistent in my learning process. Sometimes I skip, for 1 month. Sometimes different kinds of problem we have, like family issue or other. So that is why I created YouTube channel. And yes, it helped me a lot. Day by day, I am improving. I have learned so many things. Yes, by recording, I can see so where I am lacking. That is why I'm working upon my gray areas. Yeah.
Yes. That's I
And
can
you
say.
are asking, how do you manage?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. And now, sometimes I am feeling cup. so in my mouth, okay, clove. So that is why sometimes, okay, in between, meanwhile, like while speaking, okay, so I can manage because of like it is my childhood dream, ma'am. So that is why I feel without pushing other, I can manage. Here, morning time to daytime only. At noon only, I took only 1 hour, okay, for my lunch time and talking to my children, okay. I wanted to spend my timetable, but nowadays when I started my spoken English journey, so I have changed my timetable because I want to see, okay, where I am lacking, and I want to be fluent speaker, proficient speaker. So that is why I have to do work a lot upon my gray areas, then I can be fluent in this language. So in nowadays evening time I have to handle, like I handle, not I have to handle. It's my not, uh, just it's my desire. Okay, so that is why in evening time, my client, they are waiting to me, and I have to deal with my client. Morning time only, I go to my shop just for guiding my tailor, just for guiding my girl, and after that, after 2 hours, I return at my home. Then I started. And then I start editing or uploading video, different kinds of things, because content uploading content, it's not easy task.
Yes, yes.
It's also difficult, it's daunting task for us. Yeah.
Okay, okay, amazing. Yeah. So, may I know your English learning journey also? When you start?
Yes, sure. Yes, 2 years ago, ma'am, I started my spoken English journey from scratch. That time I
Okay.
was zero in English. Yeah.
So, which type of challenges you face?
Yes, so many challenges I was facing, ma'am, that time, because I am from Hindi background. So I didn't have exact roadmap. So where to start, how to start, what to do, what not to do, different kinds of things, okay, in front of me that time. But sometimes I thought, so maybe I work upon my grammar portion, or like grabbing new words, sometimes making structure, sometimes reading parts activity or writing activity, because while listening conversational video, most of the time, like we have heard, so people, they suggest us reading activity, it's so good for us. So initially it was, daunting task for me, but once we started learning this language or anything we want to learn, so day by day we are familiar with these things. So nowadays I can speak in front of all, but initially I was totally zero in English. First, I have completed my grammar portion, like basic things, tenses, models, state of being. After that, I started listening. Then I started speaking with breakable language. Then I started providing classes for beginners. Okay, and I created YouTube channel too. Like one by one, I have done so many things. When I like knew about me, so I can speak little bit. Then I gathered courage, and just I went to other institute for teaching, and I took like they took interview. I got selected over there. After that, after 3 months, I have left because of my work, because that time marriage time started, so I don't have much time, okay, to do such kind of things. So that time I thought maybe it's like compulsory for me dealing with client. So they are my first priority. Then I have
Yes,
left
yes.
from this institute, and nowadays I am providing classes online and offline both.
Okay, okay, amazing. Yeah. So, I, actually, I go through your channel. You, I think, from my English Harry session, that also, I think you, yeah.
Yes, I have completed 32 session, 32
Hmm.
session with them, but that time, ma'am, it was my compulsion because my younger sister, she has paid 8,500 for classes and she transferred me. So, Didi, please, you take because I don't have time. She wants to learn this language. She is yoga teacher as well. So that time she was busy in yogas. That is why I have, yeah, I had to complete, but always like I was frustrated in front of experts. So where to start, how to start, and I cannot speak. Just that time my mind used to go blank always, and fumbleness also I was facing a lot. But anyhow, ma'am, okay, I can manage in front of expert. Maybe I thought so with English Yari tutor. They are so expert. They are
Yes,
like
yes.
they have different kinds of yeah, expectation. So I feel when we can speak like little bit, then if we start taking session with them, it will be quite beneficial for us. But that time it was my compulsion, so I have completed, yeah, session with them.
Okay. So you, in suddenly, you've taken the session because of your sister, yeah?
Yeah, suddenly.
Okay.
Yeah, she
Okay.
has paid for herself. Yeah,
Yes,
after
yes.
that she transferred me. Kis Didi, yeah, I don't take because I don't have time.
Okay, okay. Yes. So by whom you inspired by learning this language? By your sister?
No. It is my childhood dream, man.
Okay.
So English was started from sixth standard in my time.
Okay.
So after six, yeah, with six classes, I started, simple English like this is a book, this is an apple, this kind of simple sentences. And at that time, I thought I could speak in English language very nicely, but I don't have good platform like other people. Now my children they have grown up, and my daughter first motivated me to learn this language. So mama, you should try, you can. And that is why I started my spoken English journey
Okay, okay.
now. Yeah.
Amazing. Yes, yes.
Yes.
So you are proud of mother that also, and yeah, entrepreneur that also, and yeah, YouTube channel, running a YouTube channel that also. Yeah, you have, I can say, many hat. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
thank you for your kind word, ma'am. But it is my childhood dream, so I want to be proficient speaker. Maybe after 5 years or after 6 years, I don't know exactly what is the time, but I want to be.
Yes, yes. If we have the desire, so we can do. Yes. Yes, yes. I
Yeah.
also believe this. Okay, amazing. So you have any question for me?
Yes. When did you start your spoken English journey, ma'am? You are from English background or you are from other background?
Yeah, actually, I'm also Hindi medium, and I'm also start my journey from the scratch. And after that, in my initial stage, I watch conversation type of video. So, and after that, I used to audio calls. So, in my initial stage, and after I make my short, and yeah, my daughter, I blessed with a daughter. She's 4 plus. So she was singing a poem. I also help her. There upload only short with my daughter. And after I have lots of fear, but I want to overcome this. So I approach some people and journey going on every day. Yes, I try to connect with someone. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. How many videos do you make every day, ma'am?
make every day. Actually, these days I'm not that much consistent, but I try to connect with someone. Uh, Only one, sometime two. Yeah.
Okay, but this is not my cup of tea. Okay, every day I cannot connect with other YouTuber. Sometimes, like after 2 days, sometimes after 10 days. Yeah, according to
Yes.
my timetable.
Yes, yes. Actually, we have other responsibility also. So I also try to connect every day, but sometime for my side, sometime other side. So something happens. So we we can't predict every day. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, yes. A lot on our plate.
Yes. Yes.
Different kinds of activities, different kind of, household chores.
Yes. Yes.
We have to be responsible, yeah,
Yes.
for those things.
Yes. Yes.
So yes, ma'am, tell me now you are making video and uploading video.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so after 5 years, where do you see yourself?
Okay. So actually, I can say a good speaker. Yes. And I also want to teach this language. So yeah, become a good teacher. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Earlier, ma'am, I was a teacher in private sector school.
Okay.
Yeah,
You have the
but
experience of that also. Yeah.
yes, yes, I have experience how to teach, how to manage my students, but I was not fluent speaker. So
Yes.
that is why nowadays I have changed my students. Earlier I have taught only 3 to 8 classes students.
Yes.
Nowadays I have changed. Nowadays my students, they are working or they are homemaker, or sometimes they are, nowadays I have 2 students. They are in 12th class. Yes, different kinds of age people.
Yes. And I think we are doing this, the conversation. So in this, I think we need not only the English, we need the communication, and not only for, I can say, every profession, we need the communication skills. That is must for every. You are running
Yeah.
boutique, so
Yes.
that's
Yes.
why you also need this. And yeah, become teacher. Any profession, we need the communication first. So
Yes, yes. Nowadays, English it's so compulsory for
yes,
everyone.
yes,
In my boutique, in my profession, no, there is no need to speak English language. But
okay,
it is my childhood dream, and I want to be fluent in this language. That is why I am learning this language. I am improving because I want to update myself
yes,
according to
yes.
timetable.
Yes, yes. And update, that is a must in these days. Yeah. If we
Yes.
upgrade ourselves time to time, so that is good for us. Otherwise, we out before outdated, we need to update ourselves. Yeah.
Yes.
That's why I also start many, I can say, learning the, I can say, books. That also help me a lot in my journey. Yeah.
Okay. Did you means have you read book?
Yes, yes. I'm
Okay. Please
into
name this book.
like read, yes, Attitude is Everything. That book I completed. And the second, Sudha Murthy ma'am's Small Storage book. And I listen a lot, like Power of Positive Thinking. Yes, the subconscious mind, and other, I can say, the biography also, the unfinished Priyanka
Oh,
Chopra biography. Yes, Learning How to Fly, APJ Abdul Kalam. Yeah, that's I enjoy most.
okay.
Yes, yes,
Yes, reading activity, it's so, it helps us a lot
yes, yes,
because we are learning nowadays how to communicate with other.
yes,
So
yes,
that is why it helps us. Yeah. By listening, we can know, ma'am, how to pronounce different kinds of words, how to use different kinds of pronunciation, like word, different
yes,
kinds of
yes,
idioms, and good structure we can know. I
yes,
have
yes.
read also three Sudhamurthy's book,
Okay.
and fourth one was Rich Dad and Poor Dad. I
Yeah.
started reading, but I didn't have interest. and reading Rich Dad and Poor Dad. After that, just I stopped. And nowadays, I started other book. Uh, Name is now I don't remember exactly. Uh, Habit, like something Atomic
Atomic
Habits.
Habit. Yes, yes. That is good
Yeah.
book. Yeah. I also listened that book. That is small habit, tiny change and remarkable result. Yes. And 0.0%.
Yes.
Yes. Everyday improvement. So that is compounding our habit. So that is good for us. Yes. That is, yeah.
Yes. Yes. Small habits can change our personality.
Yes, yes.
This is the mantra.
Yes. And because of many books I got to know, so now I'm early riser person. So I'm, yeah, doing little bit yoga, meditation, and yeah, doing household chores. That also, I think because of this habit, I'm able to manage all the things. Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am. You are saying right. Because if we like are not active in our life whole
Yes,
day,
yes,
we
yes,
don't feel we can be productive in our life or whole
yes,
day.
yes,
So that is why yoga meditation it's so compulsory nowadays because we have rat race life.
yes,
Okay, we are running behind money. We are running behind, busy
yes, yes,
life
yes,
nowadays. So meditation, if we do meditate, like small time, so we feel very calm that time, and totally that time we connect with ourselves. Yes,
yes,
we
yes,
feel very peace. I do
yes.
meditate every day.
Okay. Yes, yes. Actually, I also,
I'm more into spirituality and meditation, this kind of things. I feel relaxed
yes,
while
yes.
listening spiritual talks and motivational speaker. Yeah, I love to listen to motivational speaker Gaurgopal Das.
Okay. Yes, yes. Amazing. Yeah.
We are on the same page, ma'am.
Yes, yes. And I was a year ago, I was totally different person. But because of books and all, so now I feel I'm different. Yeah.
You
Yes.
have changed your personality. Yes.
Yes. Now
Earlier,
I'm,
ma'am, which kind of personality you had? Tell me two, three things. And
yeah.
nowadays, you have changed totally. So
Yes.
tell me which kind of, yeah, some, if you want to reveal, then
Yes,
otherwise,
yes. First of all,
uh,
I'm not aware of the small thing like gratitude, this type of thing. So now I'm every day try to gratitude for small thing. Yes. For my health, for food, for water, for, yeah. So
yes.
now that and,
Yes, ma'am. So, yes,
yes.
yes, carry on, carry on.
And second, I can say the early riser person. So now I'm early riser person. Before that, I'm no. Yes.
Because, ma'am, early riser, like early bird catches the worm.
Yes,
So,
yes.
early riser person, they can do anything, whatever they want, because they have whole day. Yeah,
Yes. So
I
that's
feel
it.
late riser, they have different mindset. Early
Yes, yes,
riser, they have different mindset. Yes.
yes, yes. Yeah, and that I can say people is different. Yeah, mindset also. Yes,
Yes, yes. Each and every people, they have different kinds of mindset.
yes,
They want to do according to their mindset.
yes,
They want to be productive in their life. They have, own priority.
yes, yes,
Each and everyone, they have own priority. Yeah. I feel relaxed while listening motivational speaker, while doing ritual things, or like I do Havan every day, ma'am. I do meditate every day. I am this kind of person.
I can say Havan means
Havan, it means chanting, with chanting. I chant for
okay,
Gayatri mantra.
okay, like Om, this type of, yeah.